Welcome to 1539 Laurel Hollow Road in Laurel Hollow. This beautiful 5,800 square foot, 6 bed, 6.5 bath colonial is finally ready for a complete video tour. I'm gonna bring all of you inside, but before we do that, let's take a moment to appreciate the architecture, the exquisite exterior details, from the hardy siding to the Anderson windows, all of the amazing AZEK trim work, the gambrels, the black window frames. There's just so much going on here, yet it's simple, it's beautiful, it's luxurious, and this is just the beginning. As soon as we go inside, you're gonna see why this is really not a regular spec build. There's no vinyl siding here, there's no regular finishes. Every single detail was executed to the highest degree possible, and this home was built by Premier Building NY, who's built a name for himself, doing amazing work, and this home is a showcase of all of the things that he's capable of doing. So let's go inside, let's take a tour. You guys are about to be blown away. Welcome to your new home located in one of Long Island's finest school districts, Cold Spring Harbor Schools. And now that we're inside, let's just get right down to it. This foyer is quite the statement. When you walk in this door, all the little details pop out at you. The inlaid white oak floors, the cabinet grade painted raised panel foyer makes its way all the way up to a stunning coffered ceiling, and this beautiful restoration hardware chandelier adds just the right amount of contrast. Now, as we make our way through some of the other rooms in this house, you're gonna find each room has its own unique features, like the ceiling. And this is probably my favorite trim detail so far. This is the formal living room, and this little bit of extra contrast really, to me, adds an amazing style element to this room. And this room right here is being called the great room, but as my clients come in the door, I'm calling it the man cave. You should see how excited some of these clients get when they hear that. They look right at their wives and say, "What do you think about that, honey?" And I don't know if it's really gonna work, but this room is where I would wanna spend my time. And it's loaded with natural light, lots of windows, amazing features, these vein matched slabs, inlaid fireplace, and a key feature that we're finding in high-end new construction is this covered pavilion. You've got access from the formal living room and this great room. It's a blue stone patio. You've got amazing trim details, hi-hats, speakers, and complete privacy where you can spend some time, hang out, smoke a cigar, have a cup of coffee, whatever it is that you're into, this is where you can do it. This open concept kitchen and family room is where you're gonna be spending a ton of time, and whether you're cozying up to watch a movie or entertaining for the holidays, this is where you wanna be. This fireplace is beautiful. I love the stone surround, and as you can see, all your low voltage is terminated. You've got speakers, tons of recessed lighting, tons of natural light from these windows, and all you have to do is simply move in here and start enjoying this space. This kitchen is just stunning. Fully custom, Wolf appliances, Brizo faucets, Kraus sink, and this waterfall island, this is where you're gonna be spending a lot of time. This is where you're gonna be hanging out. We carried the same theme into the kitchen with the restoration hardware chandelier. Your fridge disappears, it's built in, so is your dishwasher, and every little detail has just the right amount of pop. You've got tons of storage here, a butler's pantry with another Brizo faucet, hammered sink, wine cooler, and this formal dining room is just stunning. I love this coffered ceiling. We left you a space to pick your chandelier. That's a very subjective taste, but the inlaid floors, this light and bright trim detail, this is what it's all about in today's modern high-end new construction. Now that we've made it through that beautiful foyer, living room, dining room, kitchen, and family room, let's make our way to this beautiful mudroom, where, by the way, anywhere where you see tile, there's radiant heating. And when we make it downstairs to that mechanical room, you're gonna see what a work of art the mechanicals in this house really are. This room is fully custom, including the cushions, shiplap detail, built-ins. You've got a closet over there, a door to the backyard, a 3-car garage this way, and I think a really thoughtful feature was putting an additional laundry room on this floor. So when you put a pool in, or when you're entertaining, or whatever it is that you're doing, you don't have to bring all that stuff upstairs. You've got a second laundry room right here, and look at this bathroom. The details, the pop of color, the shiplap, the modern look of the vanity in the toilet, I love it. And this is your guest suite right here. This is a crucial feature, whether for your parents, your nanny, or whatever it is. The attached bath with the bedroom is a big feature, and I'm really glad that they got that done in this house. Now let's make our way upstairs, where each of the 5 ensuite bedrooms is more beautiful than the next. As we make our way upstairs, let's just stop and appreciate this powder room right here. The dark oak walls with the Carrara marble vanity and the gold fixtures with the gold inlaid floor add so much contrast and so much character to a room that would otherwise be generally overlooked. I'm a huge fan of the design choices in this house. If you thought the first floor was impressive, this second floor is nothing short of perfect. You've got 5 ensuite bedrooms, a stunning laundry room. Dare I say one of the nicest rooms in this house? This laundry room is beautiful. The tile detail, the Kraus sink, built-ins, cabinetry are all just perfect. And each bedroom has its own custom closet system, amazing trim details. All of your low voltage has been terminated, whether you're using it for internet or TV or audio, it's ready to go. And each bathroom is more stunning and more beautiful than the next. As we make our way towards the master, I can assure you that nobody's going to be fighting over the bedrooms. Each one is a generous size with an exquisite bathroom. Now let's make our way into this stunning master suite where no stone was left unturned. You've got this amazing high ceiling. Our TV wall would be here, speakers all around, bed wall would be here. And can you imagine yourself with a little coffee bar up here, making an espresso and coming outside and enjoying this private backyard? Because I sure can. And this is an extremely private and amazing space to spend your mornings without the hustle and bustle of whatever's going on downstairs. Now, as we make our way this way, we have 2 fully equipped closets and a beautiful bathroom, radiant heating of course, stunning shower, separate vanities, and each and every fixture and finish was thought out. For example, everybody likes to have their water closet in a separate space, but when you put wall and sheetrock and all those things up, it feels like a tunnel. But with this glass and open ceiling, you have privacy, but you don't feel like you're in a box. Now this shower, I'm just gonna step inside, because why not, right? You've got this beautiful linear drain, Brizo body spray, rain head shower, regular shower head, tons of controls. It would definitely take me a couple of days to get used to using this shower. But this soaking tub too, it's perfect, it's centered to the window. You've got all these extra little details like the wall sconces. All these lights are switched on their own. So you can really set the mood in this space depending on how you're feeling and what your purposes of being in this bathroom are. And I love the vibe. It's got a little bit of that farmhouse vibe, a little bit of that modern vibe, and all together, this is the perfect master bath. Perched on top of a hill, you've got complete privacy in this backyard. And now that we're outside, take one more look at this covered pavilion, perhaps one of my favorite exterior architectural details. This bluestone patio, basement entrance, egress windows. There's just nothing to do here. You've got cameras, you've got security, you've got lighting, you've got speakers, everything you need to start enjoying your space from day one. And whenever you're ready, the builder Premier Building NY will be happy to put a pool in for you, finish the basement. And then speaking of the basement, let's make our way to the basement now so I can show you the crazy mechanical room and the amazing unfinished space that you can go ahead and finish whenever you're ready. While a finished basement is not included with this build, we've done a lot of things to make it a lot easier when the time comes to get that job done. We left you some outlets for the plumbing for a future bathroom. I can see myself having a movie theater down here. There's a designated space for a wine cellar underneath the front stoop. You've got full-size egress windows, a 10-foot ceiling height, and it's the little things, right, that make a house special, like having the HVAC tucked underneath the stairs, right? Or this designated space right here where all your low voltage wires are already terminated. You've got 2 sets of quad outlets, so all your media equipment can go in this space, and when the time comes, you can close it off and make a little media closet. And almost 2,500 square feet of space give you so many options. And being the nerd that I am, this is probably my favorite room in the house, the mechanical room. It's fully finished, and it is truly impressive. You've got your radiant heat zones, your circulator pumps, wall-mounted boiler. You've got a well water system here. You've got all your electric panels, a backup generator, everything you would need from day one. And This room is truly impressive. It's like a finished space. You've got a drop ceiling, you've got fully paneled walls, epoxied floor, a drain in the center. Can you think of anything that this room doesn't have? Because I surely can't. I want to thank all of you for watching this tour of this truly one-of-a-kind Gold Coast mansion in Laurel Hollow. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. We'll be taking professional photos later on today and uploading them to the listing. Once again, thank you for your support and have a great day, everyone.